Vanakkam, Namaste, Namaskar. Welcome back to Jal Prayag. Today I'm going to continue on the same topic where I had done one of the Buoyage in the last class, last video. So let us start off the next set of symbols and descriptions, and let us see how they look also. So I'm calling it part two, and I'm continuing on your Buoyage symbols. I'm still going for paper chart symbols. So my main reference is MP735, and as usual, for your previous reference in Jalprayag, you still have the chart symbols playlist and the Buoyage playlist. Right now, all these videos will come under Maritime Boys. These are your numbers for reference in case you want to go back and just have a look. A quick recap on what I did last time, because this is a continuation of exactly what I left with. I did only lateral buoys last time. It is still not complete. Why? Because I have one more set to finish off the lateral buoys. Again, quick recap that the maritime buoy systems are divided into two in the world. So you can see one is blue, which is system A, and the red is system B. System B is mainly Americas and the few Far East Asian countries, but rest of the worlds are on system A. So again, a general direction of buoyage is represented by this kind of arrow in the symbol so that you can understand which region you are pictorially, although on a paper chart is very clearly written whether you're system A or system B. Okay. So what you do in ECDIS, I think you know you have to look at the informations, but I'm still going on the paper chart symbols. So for me, region A is red to port, and in your region B, the red goes to the starboard side. Now this picture is again one from the last video, so that you can relate it to region B. Please have a look here. A few things I'm going to tell you. Region A is red to port. So that means on my port hand, the buoys will have red color and they will have a can top mark. And on the starboard side, I will have a green color buoy with a cone top mark. The lights are also very similar, the same thing as green and red. Usually you can say flashing red. There are other patterns also, but one rhythm is enough for you to remember for exam purpose. It's okay. So not by heart all of them. One should be enough. Now I'm going to show you region B. Please see region B here. This is region B. This time the red color goes to the starboard, but there are a few things you should remember here. I'm going to show you in the next slide also. I'm going to mark them also. You can see the green has come on your port hand. The light is also green, but the can top mark is still the same. Please see on the starboard side, the color red has come to starboard. Light also is starboard, but the cone top mark is still the same. So I'm going to mark this in the next slide. Please see here. The shapes of the buoys and the top mark do not change in any of the region systems. That means system A, system B, they are still the same. Port side will have can and the starboard side will have cone. So this is something you can remember easily. That means the top mark and the shape of the buoys don't change. It's only the color that changes. So this is what you'll have to remember for you in region B. I would suggest instead of trying to remember too many things, remember one side and you can always go to the other side. Okay? So these top marks are still the same. They don't change. I'm going to come to the second part of this lateral. So this is not just lateral, it is called preferred lateral or preferred buoys. Let us look at the pictorial point to understand why I need the preferred buoys. So let us assume that my vessel is coming here. You can see there's an island in the middle on the right ahead. So there's a channel bifurcation. One way goes on the starboard side, another way goes on the port side. So you can choose taking to the starboard side channel or the port side channel. That is what is the idea. That means both ways I can do. But one of them is preferred. Let us see why it is preferred. A small description of the same. Your lateral preferred means to choose a preferred side, and you have two routes available for the passage. The destination could be still the same. It may be still the same, but there are two possible ways, and one of them may be better choice. Why? It could be because of your depth, because of the width and the dangers, whatever, lesser dangers also. So that is why the Buoyage gives you a choice to decide. They will say that you have two routes, but I would say that preferred is this. So how do I do that? So that is what we are going to. So mariner can choose a preferred way, and what are they called? They are called preferred channel to starboard and preferred channel to port. That means the boys guide you to tell you that it's preferable, please go on the starboard side, and preferable, please go on the port side. This is your title they use: preferred channel starboard and preferred channel port. This is what they use. This is your official title they use in the book. But it's slightly tricky here. You might get confused when you look at the book. So that is why I'll give you a small method where you can easily remember this. You have so much of colors and shapes to remember. Let me try to give you a very simple way. You can see here in this picture, I'm showing you vessel is on the middle, and I have a preferred buoys on my left side and on my right side. That means port and starboard. But it's very, very feebly visible here. It's very, very light here. You see here, the one on your port side, which is your port hand, is marked as starboard. And the one on the starboard is marked as port. The reason being, this word starboard means preferred channel to starboard. And the reason here is written as port. I'm marking with a marker, my cursor. So it is written port on a starboard hand buoy, telling you that port channel is preferred. That is why I told you it's slightly confusing. Let me quickly change it with a word or a sentence which is not there officially, but I'm going to insert it. Let us understand this. I came here. I have a Y junction. Let us say I can go to port side or starboard side. Assume for me this channel is preferred channel to starboard. Let us say this is preferred channel to starboard. I'm taking the starboard channel. I'm going to put a buoy at this junction. This buoy is colored in such a way that it is telling you that I can take the two channels, but one is preferred. That is why I would call this preferred channel to starboard buoy as preferred port hand buoy. It's easier to remember as preferred port hand. Why? The moment you are in region A, your port hand is mainly red color. You can see the majority of the color is red, but with a small green band, horizontal band, which tells that I can go on both of them, but it's preferable to keep it on my port side. That means it's a preferred port hand buoy. But if you officially go to the book, it will be written preferred channel to starboard. This is how you should remember. Let me give you one more. This time, I have a choice to go on the port side or starboard. Let us say it is much better to go on the port side. That means this is called preferred channel to port. I'm going to place a buoy exactly at the junction that will become my starboard hand buoy. So I'm going to put that buoy here. This becomes a starboard hand buoy. That is why I would suggest try to remember as preferred starboard hand buoy. It's easy to guess the colors. Starboard hand buoys, please remember, are always green color in region A. So that means the majority color in this buoy is also green with a small red horizontal band. Top marks, please remember, they do not change. I'm going to show you that top marks do not change. So still a starboard hand buoy will have a cone and a port hand buoy will have a can. So I'm going to just quickly give a little bit details about the buoys. What are the shapes? Shapes are very similar to your lateral. Can, pillar, spar, and cone. Again, I've color coded can and cone. In region A, please remember your can will be on your preferred port side and cone will be on the preferred starboard side. So that is the clue for you with these colors. So again, please have a look. I call it preferred port hand, but the books call it preferred channel to starboard, which means Preferred port hand will majority have the red and with a small green band in between. The top marks for a preferred port hand will also be your can, which is canister, just like your normal one. I call it preferred starboard hand buoy. Keep it on your starboard side, which means your preferred channel is to the port. Preferred starboard hand should have green maximum color. So that means you got majority green with a red band on the middle, horizontal band. And the top mark can be only cone. That is the standard. Let's look at the lights. Red and green lights are still allotted for the preferred also, just like your lateral. But this time it has got a peculiar rhythm. The rhythm is a composite 2+1. So this is something important for you to remember when somebody asks you a preferred lateral buoys. The light is only one combination called composite 2+1. I'm again showing you, let the vessel keep moving in this direction. You can see I place the buoy on the port side. So that means it becomes a preferred port hand buoy. Preferred port hand buoy will have majority of red color with a can top mark with a small green band. It will have a flashing red 2+1. This is what exactly I've written on the top also. Red, green, red buoy on my port side, which is called port hand buoy, which means I should choose the starboard channel as a preferred one. I'll quickly give you this top mark, top mark. This is a real picture. If I see this buoy right now on my port side, I will alter course to starboard to take the starboard channel. This is what I will do. Let me show you the next one. I'm having a buoy on my starboard side. Starboard side in region A is majority green color. You can see green and a red band. Top mark is cone, flashing green 2+1 for you. And this is what is preferred channel. It is called preferred channel to port. Why? Because this guy is on my starboard side. This buoy is on my starboard side. So for me, preferred channel is to port. So top mark is this. The moment I see this buoy on my starboard side, starboard hand, I'm going to alter course to port, take the port channel. So this is what is called preferred lateral marks, something which is tricky to understand. Many of the students might get confused. I'm going to show you both the regions in one go. We have right now done only region A. So I'm going to show you region A. Then what is region B? Please see here itself. You can see the shape of the buoys do not change. Top marks do not change in both the areas. Right? But the color changes. And the color uses the same concept as port hand buoy and the starboard hand buoy. I'll just give you one more. Here you can see the rhythm is also there. 2+1, both of them. So this concludes our lateral system. So we are done with the lateral system right now. And next video for you will be continuation on still the Buoyage only. I have more buoys to take care. I might be able to finish off in two sets maybe, because one is a cardinal mark and then there are remaining of the normal buoys also. So I'll come back with the next set of buoys, hoping to finish off with two videos on this. So keep watching Jal Prayag. Until then, Vanakkam, Namaste, Namaskar.